Hi dear students, welcome you all for today's statistics class. In the previous class, already we have discussed about how to formation of continuous frequency distribution based on the inclusive method and based on the exclusive method. In this class, we are going to know about the new topic and very important topic is bivariate frequency distribution. Bivariate frequency distribution. In the previous class, we already discussed two topics: discrete frequency distribution and continuous frequency distribution. In this class, we are going to know about the concept of bivariate. First, we should know about the meaning of bivariate. Bivariate frequency distribution formed on the basis of two related variables. On the basis of two related variables. It's giving importance for two variables. So, when we are forming a frequency distribution, we are giving the importance for two variables. We are giving importance for two variables. Is called as a bivariate frequency distribution. Take an example here. Income and expenditure of a group individual. So, we are giving importance for two variables. One is income and second one is expenditure. So, when we are giving importance for two variables, that type of frequency distribution is called as a bivariate frequency distribution. In the group individual, we are giving importance for income and expenditure both. When we are giving only for one variable, that is related to the discrete variable or continuous variable. When we are giving at a time, we are giving importance for two variables. Example of income and expenditure, that is the best example for bivariate frequency distribution. Take one more example: ages of husbands and wife. Here also two variables, one is husband, second one is wives. Husbands and wives is a two variables. When we are recording in a table, so we are giving importance for both husbands and wife. So that type of data we can consider as a bivariate frequency distribution. Take an example of one more thing: height and weight of a group individual. Height and weight of a group individual. Here also two variables. First one is height and second one is weight. So I think all are understood the concept of bivariate. Once again I will repeat. Bivariate frequency distribution means a frequency distribution formed or created or framed on the basis of two variables or two related variables is called as a bivariate frequency distribution. So, we can solve the bivariate frequency distribution. We can solve based on the one example problems. Let us know about the problem, and after that we can solve the problem based on the bivariate. So, see the problem here, students. Given below are the ages of mothers and number of children. Here given information of two variables. First one is ages of mother. First one is ages of mother and the number of children. So ages of mother is one variable and number of children is another variable here. So two variables are there here. When they are given information of two variables, we can prepare bivariate frequency distribution based on the bivariate. Let us know about that. Here given information of serial number, age of the mother and number of children. These are the two variable. One variable ages of mother, second variable number of children. So these are the information of ages of mother, these are the information of number of children, and continuously we are going on. So serial number 10, next serial number 12, 11, 12 up to 20. So ages of mother here given, next number of children. This is the problem. In this problem they are given information of serial number up to 1 to 20, next ages of mother and number of children, This problem is continuation here. So here also they are continuing. Serial number 10, next is serial number 11. It is a continuation of problem. So serial number 11 to 20 and ages of mothers and number of children. This is the problem, students. So based on this problem we have to solve the problem bivariate frequency distribution. Why means here there is a two information, ages of mother and number of children. Okay students, let us know about how to solve this problem based on the bivariate frequency distribution. Solution for this problem. So bivariate means we should record it in a table two variables. So I will record two variables here. First I will record the ages of mother, ages of mother in a column, and next variable is number of children, number of children. So ages of mother I will record in a column, here we are recording. So number of children I will record in a row information. So column information is a ages of mother and number of children I will record in a rows. Before going to that, first we should identify in this problem which is the lowest value and which is the highest value here. Ages of mother, the lowest value is 22. This is the lowest value and highest value is 48. So first we should identify the lowest value is 22 and highest value is 48. So first we should identify this because of identifying a class interval. We have to classify in the class interval based on this information. So I will record class interval based on this information. 22 and 48 both will be covered in the class intervals. So I will take a class interval difference is 5, 20 to 25. 22 comes between the 20 to 25. So next I will continue the 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50 is enough because of the maximum value is 48 only here. So 50 is enough for class interval of age of mother. Next we should identify the number of children. The minimum value in number of children is, minimum value is 0. The maximum value means highest value is 6. So we should record, I will record the number of children in a row. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finally total. Here also we will make a total. So this is the way of classification of class interval or dividing the class interval based on the bivariate frequency distribution. So bivariate means two variables is included in a single table. One variable is age of mother, another variable is number of children. So let us know about how to solve the problem. First we should solve one by one. First one, serial number 1. So ages of mother is 28. Ages of mother is 28. The 28 comes under the 25 to 30 class interval. The 28 comes under the 25 to 30 between the 28 will come. So first we should identify the age of the mother. Next variable is number of children is 1. So 1 is here. So we should write here. So one variable we should write 1. This one is over. Next, this one over, right? Next one, second serial number 37. 37. So 37 comes under the 35 to 40 class interval. So we should identify this. Next, what is the number of children value? 0. So 0 here. So we should write here 1. Both we have to match. That is one variable and to another variable. Next, Third one, the age of the mother is 42. 42 comes under the 40 to 45 between. So number of children is 3. We should write 3 here. We should write here 1. Next value is 25. 25 comes under the 25 to 30 because it is exclusive method. So 25 to 30 we should take here. 25, number of children is 2. So we should write here 1. Next 29. 29 comes under the 25 to 30. The number of children is 1. We should write 1 here. Next 47. 47 comes under the 45 to 50. The number of children is 5. 47 to 50. The number of children is 5. We should write here 5 because of 5 here is there. Next 37. The age of the mother is 37. 37 comes under the 35 to 40 class interval. So next the number of children is 6. Should write 1 here. Next 35. 35 comes under the 35 to 40 class interval. Number of children is 2. We should write here 2 here is there. So we should write here. Next 23. 23 comes under the 20 to 25 between. So the number of children is 2. We should write here 1. Next 41. 41 comes under the 40 to 45 between. So the number of children is 1. Next serial number 11. Age of the mother is 27. 27 comes under the 25 to 40. Sorry, 25 to 30. So the number of children is 0. We should write here. Next one is 39. 39. 39 comes under the 35 to 40 class interval. So the number of children is 3. We should write here 3. Next 23. 23 comes under the 20 to 25 class interval. The number of children is 4. Next age of the mother 33. 33 comes under the 30 to 35. The number of children is 2. Next 36. 36 comes under the 35 to 40 class interval. So the number of children is 1. We should write 1 here. Next 40 to 45. So which one is over? 36 over. Next is 32. 32 comes under the 30 to 35 class interval. The number of children is 6. Next is 22. 22 comes under the 20 to 25 class interval. The number of children is 3. We should write under the 3. Next 18th one. 18th serial number. The value is 29. 29 comes under the 25 to 30. The number of children is 2. Next 38. 38 comes under the 35 to 40. The value is 1. 1 here. We should write here. Next last one 48. 48 comes under the 45 to 50. The number of children is 5. This is the way of converting theoretical information or given information in the form of bivariate. First we have to converting the information in the form of tally bar. After that converting the tally bar information we have to convertible in a frequency distribution. So we have to make a total here. So here they are given information 20 to 25 is 1, 2, 3. Next 25 to 30 there is a 1 here, 2, 3. 3 plus 2 5. Next 30 to 35 here 1 plus 1 2. Next 35 to 40 1 plus 2 3 2 plus 1 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 1 4 4 plus 1 5 5 plus 1 6. Next here 1 plus 1 2 Next 45 to 50, only 2. This is the way of conversion of frequency distribution. This is the frequency. These values are frequencies. Next, we should make a total in a column. 1 plus 1, 2. Next, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Next, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Next, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Here, next 1. Here 2 only, we should write 2. 1 plus 1, 2. This is the way of conversion. So next we have to make a total. Next we have to make a total. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Next, here also we have to make a total. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. This is the value of 20. We can indicate as a capital letter N. Means the number of frequencies or number of observation is repeated. Total is 20. So in serial number also they are given information of 20. So we make a table on the basis of bivariate frequency distribution. We will get the total frequency is 20. This is the way of conversion of theoretical or statistical data in the form of bivariate frequency distribution. Okay students, next we will go for another solution for this problem. How to conversion of this data in the form of marginal frequency table of ages to mother can be prepared as. So let us know about how to conversion of bivariate data in a individual form. So first I will take ages of mother, ages. Next, number of mothers, So this bivariate table we can convertible into individual tables or individual marginal frequency table. Let us know about the age 20 to 25. 20 to 25. Next 25 to 30. Next 30 to 35. Next 35 to 40. Next 40 to 45. Next 45 to 50. This is the age information. Bivariate data I am convertible into a individual marginal frequency of ages of mothers. So next we should write a number of mothers. So we are already calculated this information here. So ages information 20 to 25, the total value is 3. We should write value here 3. Next 25 to 30, the value is 5. Next 30 to 35, the value is 2. Next 35 to 40, the value is 6. Next 40 to 45, the value is 2. Next 45 to 50, the value is 2. This is the way of conversion of bivariate data into a single table or marginal frequency table by using a ages of mother. Next we should convertible the bivariate data into one more frequency table like marginal frequency table by using a number of children. Number of children number of children. I think all are know about how many rows are there here? There is a single row. Under that there is a number of children is maximum is 6, minimum is 0. So we should write that information here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, total. This is the information of number of mothers. This is information of number of mothers. Number of mothers in 0. In 0 column, the total is 2. We should write total here, 2. Next column, number of children 1. The total number of mother is 5. Next, coming to the 2 column, so the value is 5. Coming to the 3 column, we'll get the value is 3. Coming to the 4th column, we'll get the 1. 5th one, we'll get the 2. And 6th one, we'll get the 2. The total is 20. This is a way of bivariate data should be convertible into a continuous frequency distribution. This is a continuous frequency distribution. This is discrete, means single values are there. Discrete frequency distribution. Bivariate data which should be convertible into a continuous frequency distribution and also discrete frequency distribution. The both data, means discrete and continuous data, will be appear in bivariate frequency distribution. That is the meaning of bivariate. Bivariate means two variables, two information, two tables information will be appear in a single table, is called as an bivariate frequency distribution. Okay students. Okay, thank you to all.